Managing devices shouldn't feel like trying to untangle a bunch of headphones. With XClarity One, you can control and monitor all your devices without stress. Stay with us to see how you can manage your tech like a boss.
XClarity One was designed to take care of your devices, so let's see how to add one. First, navigate to the Device Management page and go to Unmanaged Devices to discover devices on the local network. Click the Add button and input the details either by IP address, fully qualified domain name, range of IPs, or even by subnet. Once the job is complete, the devices will appear in the table. Next, select the devices. Click Add again, input the credentials, and once the job is complete, the devices will be visible in the user interface. In the next video, we'll show the device's summary view.